Hello folks, welcome back to Starships.ai. I'm Rudra and today I'll teach you how to create tools for your agent. Last time we created a research agent with a simple system prompt, though their capabilities were severely limited because of lack of tools. Let me show you how you can create a new tool for your agent. I'm going to tag Daedalus and I'm going to ask it to create a simple archive tool and also to follow docs before creating the tools. For people who don't know, arXiv is a central repository for research papers related to STEM field. What Daedalus will do is first refer the docs, then open the tool builder view and start building the tool from scratch. A tool is nothing but a blueprint which is represented by different nodes. You can see the current blueprint is very simple. It starts in the first node, creates an HTTP request to query arXiv APIs in the second node, and lastly, at the end node, it finishes the workflow. Looks like Daedalus has gone ahead and created the tool. Let's quickly check if it has tested it. Looks like Daedalus has tested it well. Now, in the same conversation, I'm going to tag Gaia and ask it to please assign this tool to our research agent. So now Gaia is going to look for our research agent, find it, take this tool and assign it to the research agent. Awesome. As you can see, the tool has been assigned. Now let's open a new chat. I'm going to tag the research agent and ask it to please search the most recent papers on quantum computing. Now, since research agent has access to a new tool, as you can see, arXiv research, it is going to go and use that tool, find those papers and present it in front of you. As you can see, now my research agent has gone ahead, search arXiv, found these tools. It also has given me links to these papers. So yeah, that is how you create tools and assign tools to the agent and increase their capabilities. Can't wait to see what you folks build with this. Until then, keep building and happy warping.